So, hi everybody. I hope I'm audible and visible. So, if there is one of the two is lost, then please let me know in the chat window, right? So, our association with Mr. Nilesh has been a very pleasant, long, and very strong one, rather. It was, I think, 2015 that Nilesh started this group. And obviously, the group is a facility management specific group, so its intention, its aim, its purpose is to support uh, all the facility management people, the industry as such, and the environment, the infrastructure. So it is a platform that he has given to the facility management world at large to come together and brainstorm situations like what we are doing today and help each other out. So the figure runs, it's an astounding figure. The figure runs in more than 1 lakh people in the facility management industry that are now a part of this group. So kudos to Nilesh and excellent work done. So all kind of people, be it HR, be it procurement, be it operations, admin, accounts, everybody, you name, you think of a person and Nilesh has brought him on the platform. So, and therefore before we begin, firstly I will thank Nilesh to give me this opportunity and call me here to speak to so many people. I'm rather very glad that I'm being able to speak to you today. Today's situation, the pandemic we know has given a very different kind of a challenge to all industries and obviously to our industry. Nilesh's effort to conduct these webinars is absolutely focused to getting people to project their issues, to express their issues, and therefore get a solution to it. Like I said, thank you very much for calling me in, and it's a great. I'm glad that I'm being able to speak to you. So I am Colonel Mehta. You must have read it in the invitations that you got. I was in the army for 22 years. Post that, I did a small stint at IIM Ahmedabad and got a small little bit of graduation there. And then went on to join Godrej and created the infrastructure and environment of facility management at Godrej Garden City, Ahmedabad. Then went on to Gift City and as a head of town management there created a blueprint for running of the town, so to speak. So obviously everything was included. If you people have not visited GIFT, then you must. It is one of its kind with its, the projects, some of the projects are first in the world, forget the country. So that is one place you should go. Now, presently I am a consultant with a company called Circle Complay Private Limited. It's an Indian origin company run by a stable triangle, 3 people in it at the top. All experts in their own areas, bringing their expertise to the table. Approximately 60 to 70 years of experience between them. And doing a marvelous job at supporting their clients and always present. The very big USP of this company is their people are always present. Now, coming to the topic that we intend to discuss today, as to what to do during this kind of a pandemic which has come and hit us and suddenly hit us. And we were sort of not prepared for it. Right? nobody could have been prepared for this. So obviously everybody is trying to grapple with the issues and find their own solutions. So that's the importance of this platform provided by Mr. Nilesh Barot. Yeah. So the first thing that I would like to discuss is the impact of it and what are the lessons out of it. Right. The impact is very obvious. Industries have shut down. Many of them have now started working from home, especially the IT industry. So therefore, all of us who were deployed in call centers, kind of people where we were deployed, and IT, even banks till a later date now, of course, it's okay. So all of us had to grapple with the idea of redeploying our manpower, boosting, keeping their morale intact, paying them. So all this has impacted us in both ways, financially as well as psychologically. So therefore, the imperative today because of this impact is to keep it together. Keep what together? Keep two things together. One, of course, the pieces of business, the jigsaw puzzle that we handle every day, day in, day out. Other thing that you have to keep intact, very importantly, is yourself. Your calm, your stability, the smile on your face, irrespective of the situation, is what will trickle down to your employees, trickle down to your client. That is what is going to count. And therefore, your importance. You as a person have to be stable. Okay, Shoaib is saying he can't hear me, volume is very low. Okay. Now is it better? Shoaib, you can put a comment here. So therefore, in any case, don't get worried because I've just started. So the way to keep it together, just a moment, let me adjust this also if it helps. Now is it okay? Shoaib, you could put a remark there. So like I said, there are two, that's a seesaw that you have to balance. One, your business jigsaw. Second, your personal. Of course, it transcends to your family as well. Now, if I talk firstly of the strategies that one can adopt, either it is strategies or it is execution, somewhere there are overlaps. Based on the risk assessment, of course, there's lots of way to do the risk assessment, and all these that we spoke of are risks. Thanks, Shoaib. Thanks. Jamil, thanks. Pradeep is calling this call. So, it is clear in my mind, this is what I would approach it as. The first and foremost is your brand value. However bad it looks, this is an opportunity, I feel, to build your brand, to keep it intact, and to show your clients and show others that your brand matters. The profits may be low, that's correct. We may have our own challenges in finances. But if the world scenario is anything to go by, the S&P, the IMF, they are all saying that 21, 22 will be the time that we will bounce back to 8.5% growth. So for that, we need to be ready. We have to hold, sit tight. Our time will come. We have to stick on. For that, all of these things probably that I'm saying today will be relevant. Other thing that I feel should be a strategic shift, what I feel we can and we may want to explore, is going rural. A bit away from the main cities. One of the main reasons why I say this today is that most of our cities are COVID heavy. So many of them have, thanks Nilesh, so many of them have containment areas and micro containment areas, and in any case the risk is very high. We are opening up our market, our business places because of the financial situation and not because the corona or the COVID has reduced. That is not the case. We all know that. So therefore, the risk factor in cities is a little higher. And we all watch the news, we know that. So therefore, the second strategic shift, first was the brand value, guard it at all cost, take this opportunity, give the best of the services, and your brand will flourish. Keep it there. Second thing, to my mind, go rural. By rural, I don't mean absolute to the villages, but definitely in satellite towns. Like I'm sitting in Ahmedabad, I can go to Sanand, which is an industrial hub, gives me an opportunity. Third thing is, we have to focus on essentials now. All this while, there were so many leakages in our system. Where there used to be a requirement of one person, sometimes to over-insure, we used to put two. And things like that. Therefore, this is the time of, let us say, damage control. We have to focus on our essentials. Essentials are what? Essentials are three things. Services that we provide, the procedures by which we provide those services, and third is the product. So these are your essentials. The fourth thing that you can think of strategically is the logistical support. By that I mean, when a client asks you to deploy there, and then what does he expect? He expects that you will be there 24/7, supporting him in everything that you have promised him to support. And therefore the expectation is high. And in today's date, the expectation will be quite high because there are so many other things as we speak, we will come to know, that he wants you to address. So therefore, how can you do that? One way of doing that would be to deploy your people on ground and keep them there. Talk it out with the client. Create infrastructure for their staying there, for their food, for their hygiene, for their self-sanitization. Of course, it is possible in a larger plant. Even residential colonies, it is possible. I know of examples where residential colonies have done this. And big builders, small builders, everybody has executed this kind of a system and it is working. People are staying on site, working on site, and the clients are, and the customers of the client in a residential colony are rather very happy that in spite of such a pandemic, in spite of so many challenges, the area is absolutely neat and clean and all systems are working, all repairs are taking place, all minor issues are handled, your customer relationship is handled, everything is handled. So therefore, that is the third thing, the fourth thing you can do. Next thing, for which this platform itself, Mr. Nilesh has created, alignments and peer help or support. This is the time for us to help each other. If we come to know of any business, we all know that we are in a tight spot situation, right? So therefore, this is the time when we come together, seriously come together. And if we have a business opportunity, which we feel we can pass on to somebody, we must pass on to somebody. Or at least work together, right? There are so many ways of creating this kind of a arrangement, a joint venture, not in legal terms, but a venture which we can do together or things like that. This is one time that we must come together. Next, it is strategic as well as a bit on the execution side, is the rise of the machines, the time of the Terminator, yeah. So rise of the machines. By that I mean, use more equipment, more machines than manpower. 2-3 reasons for that. One, your manpower is already migrated, though the word migrants is these days not in good taste, but our friends who had come from other states to work for us have returned for whatever reason. So therefore, you are low on manpower. there is a balance that now needs to be created or regained. So therefore, use as much equipment as you can, is how I look at it. There will be financial aspects to it, which can be tackled in many ways. Next, your flexibility and your adaptability is going to make a big difference to your brand value से लेकर के सब कुछ. Today's client in the today's scenario will need different things, and he will ask it differently, and therefore to be prepared for it may not even be possible, because everywhere you go, it's like a custom made blazer now. Yeah, it has to be stitched to my specification. Earlier it used to be like that, but then some templates used to work. The template of saying, okay, one guy will clean 3,000 square feet or 5,000 square feet or 2,000 square feet, depending on the area and the type of surface. Today, will it work or will it not work? We still don't know. So therefore the machine. So with one guy, you can probably do the job of 2, 3, 5 people. Again, when the situation becomes normal and people come back, that's a different issue altogether. Even then, you would have acquired new skills, you would have acquired new machinery, you would be able to project yourself differently, even at that time. Next, again, strategically and on an execution level, you can go software heavy. IT interventions. Those of us who have not yet transformed ourselves into IT professionals, तो नहीं कहेंगे हम, but IT heavy work, have to start looking at that possibility, and we must go towards that. That would help a great deal in building management systems and things like that. That's what I'm talking about. Applications, right from the application like MyGate or whichever. So therefore, such software, we need to adapt. We need to be flexible that yes, we will do it. So therefore, if we need an IT person, we'll have to have him on our team. Now, a little contradictory thing here. You need to incentivize your workforce. This is also a strategy. How will you do that? You have to pay him. There's no two ways about him. You have to display visual faith in his work. You have to support him. You have to make sure he's safe. Probably build some trauma management cell in your company, so that if any person is affected by corona, khuda na kare, so he can be looked after, or his family can be supported. This little thought shift we will need in coming days. You will have to have it, because your brand name and your impression in the market will depend on it. Today, I will like to go and work in a company which will look after me in case I am in trouble. If I have to travel, then what? Once I reach there, then what? What kind of equipment will my company give me? I am apprehensive. This is the case everywhere. Industry, across industry, there was one figure which came in a few days earlier, that 41% of the people were not ready to come back to work irrespective. And this, we are talking of people within the city in the same industry. I'm not talking of workforce at all. I'm talking of employees of a company. So in our case, it will be a little more difficult. So therefore, incentivizing them is very important. This is also, like I was saying, an opportunity for us to create a core team. We know these guys will not go anywhere. We know these guys are sincere, they are dedicated, they will give their best to the company, and so therefore no reason to not look after them. Now, your supply chain management also gains significance. Your suppliers of the material, equipment, whatever you're getting, need to be kept on the right side. You have to, they have to have that faith in you that yes, you will pay them in time, you will look after them. It will not be actually such a bad idea to have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 such suppliers, because in today's date we also don't know whether that supplier will get his supply or not. So therefore a little bit of hedging is required. But yes, you need suppliers on whom you can depend. If you want anything in the dead of the night, that person should be available to you to give that. And you should be confident when you promise a client that yes, I will be able to get that stuff on ground. Now, another thing that you can develop, a skill set that which needs to be developed and will go a long way, I feel, is first aid training. I've done it personally. I've done it with so many people of mine. And I've done it with my security people also. So in every team that I deploy, I have a couple of guys who are first aid trained. And those, of course, those people are also part of the core team that I have. So therefore, every site that we deploy, we must have a person, 2 persons, depending on the size of the deployment, who are trained in first aid. Now, in today's date, you have to have him corona trained also. So it will be first aid plus corona trained. There's a big advantage to this. The advantage is that anytime anyone is in trouble, be it your own team, be it the employer, the employees of that particular company, anybody is in any kind of trouble, the first aid guy is always there. Those people will never forget you. You save a life, you're booked for life. That particular company, that particular people will never stop thanking you. You will not believe, sirs. I have to my name saving of approximately 350 lives. I say plus a few. Plus a few is because after I came to Ahmedabad, I kept saving a few lives here as well. And you will not believe me, sir, that people whom I saved in 2006 because of some crazy driving that I also did, faster than an ambulance, I got them to the hospitals. Those people till date not only keep calling me, but they keep asking me if there's anything I need, if there's anything I can, they can do for me, things like that. So therefore, a first aid person on your team, on every site, how you train him is up to you. It can easily be done. There is training available in all hospitals. It may not be possible as of now, so if you have such people, preserve them, make them train the others. Or if you can tie up with some small hospital or some doctors, friends of yours, do that. It will go a long way in helping your business. Okay. If I talk of steps to success today, one thing you have to show is a different you. If I should be able to switch between a fawn blazer to a black blazer in no time, right? You have to show your client that you are flexible, you are adaptable, your response time is low, your dependability is high, your what we call as escalation matrix are not big, they can be crashed, and you must crash them. You will have to be a hands-on manager as well, in spite of you being in the directorship and being in the main triangle. You have to be hands-on. As of today, if I speak of the company that I am consultant with, the directors are on field and running from company to company. That is what is required as of today. So response time, availability, crashing of escalation matrix matters. Your 24/7 availability is very important. Skill set, like I said, you will have to develop newer skill set now. IT is required, your corona fighting capability is required, your clean ship systems, all these procedures, your how-to SOP book has to change. Most of us understand what I mean, and some other time we can go through the SOPs manual. So this is not the time, I'm just stopping at SOP. So your skills, your adaptability, your supply chain management, your manpower availability, your manpower, looking after the manpower, your machines, your IT, everything put together will give you operational excellence. That is what the client is looking at, your operational excellence. Next step to success is your associates. Like I said, time to bring people together, time to make alliances. IT interventions I've spoken to. One thing I had said at the start, I say again, the smile will work. It is difficult. Your times are difficult. Our times are difficult. But this always works. To get out of that difficult time, this is required. Again, I would say this is a good opportunity for us, a great opportunity for us. Why do I say that? See, we will have to work on what? Let us see what we have to work on. We have to work on our manpower requirements. So therefore, an innovative different solution, a different blazer for a different guy is required, must be done. What we have to work on are our HSE requirements. We have to work on that. Accurate and economical deployment of manpower and material, important. Everyone, now the client also in today's date will want you to crash your budgets. So therefore all this is required. Like I said, we knew where we were bleeding somewhere or other, right? So those holes have to be plugged. Then deployment of bots, robots, machines, we have to work on it. We have to reduce our overheads, there is no two ways about it. So a good way to start on that would be start from your core team. Keep it intact. I would not want you to shed the rest of the manpower because tomorrow you will require them. If you feel the pinch and if you really feel that you are not being able to sustain your business, please call your friends. Please call, that is why I said this platform what Mr. Nilesh is providing is so important. Call your friends. Please ask them if they can take that manpower. We don't want the man who's worked for us so diligently and for such a long time, we don't want to do away with such a guy. But unfortunate, I'm not being able to pay for him. I should have made good friends. If not, there's still time, make good friends. And there will be so many people who will come ahead to help you. Pass on that manpower to him, he'll also be happy. This is a fantastic opportunity for long-term relationships. Today, those friendships that you will forge with your peers, with your friends like you and me, with your clients, will now stay for a long, long time because you would have helped each other in critical time. Everybody remembers a friend who's come to help him in critical time. One thing that I have not yet mentioned is maintenance of equipment of the client. Be it in residential, small little things like DG sets and transformers and things like that. Predictive maintenance, it has to be now software based, IT based. That way one person will be able to sit at one place in sort of a control room, let us say, if you don't want to call it the building management system room, control room. And he should be able to tell you from there as to what maintenance is required, predictive maintenance, what maintenance is required, when it is required, what all he will require. So therefore, you are that much ready that I will require one person after 1 week. So if I don't have that guy, I have 1 week to ask all my friends as to where I can get him from, right? That is it. The how-to book, the processes book, the cleanliness book, opportunity to rebuild. Like I said, time for hands-on. Right. So go to ground, see the situation, go protected, with gloves on, with everything, with a hat on, and relearn what you require to relearn. It's a time of hard work, but it will pay. Another thing that the usually the client is weak at, and so are we, to be very honest, is damage control and disaster management. These are the things we push in the background. What is happening now is a disaster. Nobody was ready for it. Now those disasters look small, be it fire, be it a person falling down, or medical incident, a heart attack in the society. Think of it, you are providing support to a society. There's a heart attack on the 17th floor. You have to bring him down. There's nobody in that house except an old gent and an old lady, and they require your help. How will you do it? Simple, chota sa disaster management. To this pandemic. Rewrite your books. Retrain your people. Unlearn what you had learned earlier, freshly relearn. That is what is required. Another thing, out of all this, what will come? We will learn site control measures. We will be able to control our sites much better. We will learn, what we'll learn? We'll learn sanitizing mechanisms. We'll learn cleanliness mechanisms. And another thing that I will come after this on 2-3 more things that I have to say. We will relearn how to put signages. We will relearn how to educate ourselves. Once we have learned, we will relearn how to educate the client. Nobody's thought of this in facility management till now, that I should educate a client. And that I'm not talking of simple kaise pocha lagana hai. It's not education. That is for us in execution to educate our people. But how do you educate the client? His HR, his operations, his management, his team, town management, or his committee in a society will be thrilled if you go and tell them how to educate people, because that is one challenge every time they face. People are not ready. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है ना. जब वो HR वाला जाकर के किसी को बोलता है कि यार तू मास्क पहन ले, तो उसको बुरा लग जाता है. लेकिन आप जब बोलेंगे तो फर्क पड़ सकता है. बट उसके लिए आपका जेलिंग उसके साथ चाहिए. That is why I said flexibility, adaptability, and how you tackle your client. The smile works. So if your workforce on ground keeps smiling, even inside the mask, the smile can be seen. Believe me, because your eyes will smile. Day before yesterday, Deepak was telling me this, that now the eyes smile. So your eyes will smile. It will automatically be evident to the client or the employee. Now, the user's behavioral patterns will go a drastic change. It's already changing. That needs addressing. The guy who used to come with great fun and flair and used to throw his bag and used to be a very happy guy and used to call everybody out is suddenly quiet. He doesn't know where to put his bag. He doesn't know how to sit on the chair. He's worried, what is my computer doing? He's worried this table is infected. He's worried my keyboard is infected. He's worried my mouse is infected. He's a worried man today. So therefore, this behavioral pattern has to be addressed. You can do it. Believe it or not, you can do it. We have done it. It is possible. For that, understanding of that person is required. So that is why your involvement, that much more of involvement with the client. Therefore, like I said, your brand will build when you interact with your client at this level. There is a change in bonding, there is a change in scenario. And so therefore, योर ब्रांड ही विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर। ये कौन सी कंपनी है? सर्कल कॉम्प्ले प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। अरे उस बंदे को बुलाओ यार, वो जब काम करता है तो बड़ा हंस के काम करता है, वो बोलता भी है कैसे करना है। ही विल कॉल यू। सो देयरफॉर this is a must. Contingency plans, sit with the client. These are your own contingency plans are different. What I'm talking of, the contingency plans for the client whom you are supporting, giving services to. Sit with him and tell him or discuss with him and create another how-to books. So like I said, opportunity to create your how-to books. Call it SOPs, call it whatever. How-to books. Okay, I'll go a little granular here, a little concentrated, going a little downwards the stairs. When you are taking a business, you're going somewhere for a presentation. I would prefer that I have the information of that particular client earlier. So, in the army, we used to call it. There will be some army guys here also, I suppose, I hope. So we used to call it an advance party, right? So send an advance party. Let him go, let her go, meet the client, find out everything that he can about that, and then come back. And then you can give a presentation. What will you like to know? You will like to know what is the setup. Now you will, again, a little shift in thinking. Earlier, what we used to do when we used to send people to the client, वो क्या पता करके लाता था? कितना एरिया है, किस टाइप का काम है, क्या इक्विपमेंट है, क्या नहीं, और हमारे कितने बंदे वहाँ रखने से साहब काम हो जाएगा। इतने बंदे सिक्योरिटी में रख दूंगा, इतने में हाउसकीपिंग में रख दूंगा, इतने में टेक्निकल टीम में रख दूंगा, इतने में CRM में रख दूंगा, इतने में इधर रख दूंगा, फायर फाइटिंग में रख दूंगा, लिफ्ट में रख दूंगा, इधर हो गया। नहीं हो गया। आज हमको जो है उसका पूरा सेटअप चेक करना पड़ेगा। आज हमको ये देखना पड़ेगा उसके कितने एम्प्लॉइज तो वापस आते हैं। 41% अगर नहीं आते हैं तो 60 ही तो रह गए। सो देयरफॉर आई शुड गो फॉरवर्ड एंड टेल हिम कि तुम्हारा 30,000 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया है, उसकी आज आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये 6,000 स्क्वायर फीट में आपके जो 4 बंदे आ रहे हैं वो काफ़ी हैं। आपका बिजनेस आप समझते हैं कि 6 बंदों से चल जाएगा, 4,000 स्क्वायर फुट में बैठे हैं, हो गया। सो देयरफॉर आई नो माई बिजनेस हैज श्रंक, सो देयरफॉर आई शुड नॉट ट्राई टू पुट एज मेनी पीपल एज पॉसिबल। उसको कम ही बंदे बताओ, उसको कम बंदे बताओ, एंड मशीन्स लाइक आई सेड ज़्यादा लगाओ। सो एरिया लोड कम है तो आपका लोड ऑटोमेटिकली कम है, ये तो है। बट मैं ये कतई नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि आपके वर्कफोर्स को मिनिमम फेयर वेजेस के नीचे दो, ये बिल्कुल नहीं। वो इसलिए क्योंकि आज की तारीख में जिस तरह से बाकी का दुनिया चल रही है, जिस तरह से हमारा देश चल रहा है, जिस तरह से हमारे एस्पिरेशंस चल रहे हैं, जिस तरह से हमारा लिविंग स्टाइल्स चल रहे हैं, वो आदमी जो बिल्कुल नीचे ग्राउंड के ऊपर लेबर फोर्स है, he also or she also requires that kind of money to run, because उसको भी अब मोबाइल की ज़रूरत है, उसको भी अब टीवी की ज़रूरत है, उसको भी शायद लैपटॉप की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि उसका बच्चा पढ़ रहा है। अब उसका बच्चा भी स्कूल नहीं जा रहा है, वो कहाँ पढ़ेगा? तो उसको भी छोटा मोटा कुछ चाहिए, चाहे सबसे सस्ता वाला छोटा सा पैड हो, सैमसंग का हो, किसी का हो, उसको चाहिए। सो दैट दे रिक्वायर दैट मनी। और यही फोर्स है जो कल उठ करके हमारे मैनेजमेंट में आने वाला है। द वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग, सो देयरफॉर यू नीड टू पे हिम प्रॉपर्ली। वी ऑल नो दैट व्हेन वी डोंट पे प्रॉपर्ली हमारा क्या एट्रिशन रहता है और किस तरह से बंदे गायब होते हैं और किस तरह से नए आते हैं। हम उनको ट्रेन करते ही रह जाते हैं और चिल्लाते ही रह जाते हैं। सो इट इज़ अ गुड आइडिया टू पे देम फेयरली एंड पे देम एज पर द गवर्नमेंट रूल्स, राइट। मिनिमम फेयर वेज तो देना ही देना है, ऊपर दे सकें तो बहुत बेहतर है। सो देयरफॉर व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज कि अगर छोटा एरिया है, वहाँ पे आप समझते हैं कि 3 आदमी से काम चलेगा, तो शायद 2 लगाइए और 1 मशीन दे दीजिए। अब वो एक बंदा जो बच गया, आई विल गो बैक टू माई प्रीवियस कन्वर्सेशंस, उसको या कहीं और डिप्लॉय कर दीजिए या अपने दोस्त को दे दीजिए। प्लीज इंश्योर दैट ही डजंट गो होम, अदरवाइज आपके प्रॉफिट का और आपके सोच का कोई फायदा नहीं। सो देयरफॉर प्लीज सपोर्ट हिम एज वेल।
तो एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे पास है कि रूटीन मैन पावर जो भी हमने लगाया उसके साथ साथ एक हेल्थ स्क्रीनिंग इंडिविजुअल हम हमेशा लगा सकते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड? इसके कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं, मैं बाद में इसके ऊपर आऊंगा. बट हेल्थ स्क्रीनिंग इंडिविजुअल एट द गेट will make a lot of difference with a PPE equipment, confident, smiling, happy, taking your temperature, sanitizing your hands, maybe a chota mota machine by which you are sanitizing the uska backpack, or the sole of the shoe, a spray. All this will require one person, right? So while the opportunity of the inside area has reduced, one opportunity here is arisen, right? You can have one guy there, and to help him out, you may need to put a security guy. You speak to the client, there may be a requirement there. Now depending on the size of the industry or the manufacturing unit or whatever the thing that you are taking a contract for, these can be 1, 2, as many entry points, right? Exit points, right? So maybe 1, maybe 10, maybe 30, depending on the size of the establishment. Now, one role that we have not explored for ourselves is the role in communication. We can be a great help to the organization, establishment, in communication, because we are everywhere. Realize this, you are everywhere. Your housekeeping guy goes everywhere. Your security guy is almost everywhere. Your CRM will be going and meeting people. You are almost everywhere. More than his HR can be, or more than his departments can be. They, believe me, most of the corporates do have this. That's why they have so many outbounds and so many bonding sessions, because they work in silos, as they say. Those of us who have worked in corporates know what are silos, right? And every time we keep fighting this battle, silos mein kaam mat karo, teamwork karo, saath ho. But there are silos inevitably. So therefore, he is not reaching everywhere, but you can. And so therefore, your role in communication. Explore this. It will give compounding dividends, let us say. कम्युनिकेशन किसी तरह भी हो सकता है, वर्बल भी हो सकता है, रिटन भी हो सकता है, वीडियो अनाउंसमेंट्स हो सकते हैं, ऑडियो अनाउंसमेंट्स हो सकते हैं. आप कुछ नहीं तो एक बंदा वहाँ पे वो बिठा दीजिए, क्रिएट अ प्लेस फॉर हिम, क्रिएट अ वैकेंसी फॉर हिम, who will just welcome everybody in the morning. Welcome back to your work. Please, have you sanitized your hand at the gate? Very nice. Have you done this? Have you done that? There's so many. There can be a complete commentary on it. Some other day I can tell you that. All this will indicate one big thing: your professionalism. Every client looks for it. Professionalism in the person who is providing him support. Okay. Further granular, so that an execution at the lowest level. What can you do? Your SOPs, your how to book, just stick it on the notice board of the client. This is how we work. We have not done it earlier. So many of us have not done it, but do it. So your SOPs, once they are there, people coming and going will see, अच्छा ये ऐसे काम करते हैं. Those of us who are purely in housekeeping, or housekeeping heavy, let us say, who concentrate more on housekeeping, think of things like, there is a person who's obviously, like, you have assigned areas, like you must be already doing it, otherwise think of it. Assign areas. In this 4,000-5,000 square feet of people, there are 10 tables or 20 tables. You have got 5 people, let us say, each of them has 4 tables. You have assigned 4 tables to each and the area in between, however you have assigned. कि इतना area तेरा, इतना area, इतना. So that there is no clash also, वो भी साथ नहीं होंगे, उनका भी social distancing हो जाएगा. Physical distancing. So therefore, what you can do, what will make me happy if I am an employee there, in addition to whatever has been done at the entry point, अगर एक छोटा सा प्लेक मेरे टेबल पे रखा है, उस पे लिखा है मिस्टर कीन कुमार, फ़ोन नंबर 909909909990. और क्या लिखा है? आई एम योर एक्सपर्ट क्लीन शिप असिस्टेंट फॉर टुडे. इतना उसके टेबल पे लिख दो और वो वहां पे एक बोर्ड लगा दो. The client, the employee will be so happy. He'll say, "Acha, he has now put a face to your company. He's put a face. For him, that fellow is your company, and therefore he will call him if required. He'll say, "Acha, ये साफ नहीं दिख रहा है, क्या हो गया बेटा?" So that fellow can explain whatever he explained, and if this bonding grows every day, the guy will never want to leave him. So that is one thing you can do. How you are keeping these guys safe? एसओपी हर कोई नोटिस बोर्ड पे रोज तो पढ़ने वाला है नहीं. जो जिसको लागू होता है, वॉट एवर इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, उतना छोटा सा एक आधा पेज जो है उसको बोल्ड में और बड़ी राइटिंग में, अच्छे फॉन्ट में, क्लियर फॉन्ट में, फैंसी फॉन्ट में नहीं और फैंसी कलर्स में नहीं, सिंपल फॉन्ट में, बोल्ड बड़ा, उसके टेबल पे चिपका दें कि दिस इज द एसओपी बाय विच वी वर्क. द गाय विल बी हैप्पी टू नो. Whether he reads or not, whether he uses that phone number or not, one thing is clear to him that this company seriously looks after people. ये उसके कॉन्शियस माइंड में नहीं तो अनकॉन्शियस माइंड में जरूर जाएगा. Then any people from hotel industry have been doing this for donkey's years now. When you go to the washroom of your room in a hotel, there is a lovely little white colored strip on the WC which says this has been specifically sanitized for your use, right? Now you put that on the chair, every chair, put it there, put it on the table, wherever you think is the correct place, put it. So therefore when I come today to my office, wow, fresh fragrance, clean, and a label which says your table has been sanitized. Mr. Keen Kumar is already standing there, and this chair has been sanitized. I will not be worried. That man I spoke about, who was inhibited, who was very happy and jolly, had got worried as to whether I'm coming here, whether this is clean or not, that is clean or not, this clean, that clean, will be very happy coming and sitting, and he will बहुत दुआएं देगा आपको, and आपकी कंपनी को भी बार बार याद करेगा. He will not want you to change them. So all of this are value adds, small little value adds, but they go to great length in building the confidence of the client. So client confidence, if it is there, you know it does wonders. आपका बिल भी बहुत जल्दी पास होता है. Now interpersonal, now ट्रेनिंग की जब बात करें, सबके लिए ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है. अब ट्रेनिंग की बात करें तो हम 2 ट्रेनिंग बोलते थे हमेशा, ओजेटी क्लासरूम प्लस वॉट एवर एल्स, ब्लैक बोर्ड, एक्सरसाइज, दिस दैट एवरीथिंग. इसके साथ साथ अब हमको हैंड्स ऑन नए स्किल सेट का स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ेगा, क्लासरूम में भी और इधर भी. फॉर दैट managers at all levels have to go on ground and see that this training is actually being implemented. दूसरा एक ट्रेनिंग का ज़रूरत हमें बहुत है इज़ इंटरपर्सनल स्किल. एक बहुत बड़ा एफर्ट लगता है अगर आप अपने पूरे हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ को, पूरी सिक्योरिटी को, सबको इतना सा ट्रेन कर दो कि जो कोई अगर क्लाइंट आपके नज़दीक से गुजरता है उसको आपने गुड मॉर्निंग सर बोलना है. देयर वॉज अ टाइम व्हेन दिस वॉज अ चैलेंज. अभी भी कुछ जगह पे चैलेंज होगा, अभी भी कुछ हमारे मित्र जो हैं इस चैलेंज को झेल रहे होंगे, बट it is something that is required to be done. Your interpersonal skills will go a long way in making the client comfortable. जो मैंने कहा था मैं छोटी मोटी बातें बताऊंगा, वो ये है कि हैंड स्टेरिलाइजेशन, एंट्री एग्जिट प्रीमाइसिस पे, प्रोटोकॉल्स का डिस्प्ले, लाइक आई वाज सेइंग, नोटिस बोर्ड के ऊपर एसओपी इज प्रोटोकॉल्स, कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स, क्या क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, हमको सबको पता है, फिर भी रखना अच्छा है. ज़्यादा शायद रिसोर्स आप डिप्लॉय कर पाएँ, जो टच पॉइंट्स जिसको बोलते हैं, पढ़ लीजिएगा उसका स्टरलाइजेशन के लिए. नाउ विजिटर्स आते हैं, उनका एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट कौन करेगा और कैसे होगा? सोचिएगा इसके ऊपर, शायद एक आदमी और डिप्लॉय कर पाएंगे आप, तो अंदर आपके चाहे 3 ही आदमी रहे लेकिन 2 और हो जाएंगे बाहर, देखिएगा. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, लाइक आई वाज सेइंग, कम्युनिकेशन, दिस आल्सो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. कैसे? एक टेबल से दूसरे टेबल के बीच में सिर्फ एक पट्टी लगा दीजिए, उस पर लिख दीजिए 6 फीट, हो गया. दैट गाय विल बी सो हैप्पी, अरे 6 फुट है, दूर है बंदा, हैप्पी. नाउ many of your managers, many of us will not be able to reach the ground. So we have to train our people to be able to speak like what I am speaking to you today, or rather in a Zoom meeting or a Zoom webinar or whichever way. And there's so many, अब तो Google का भी है, वो free हो गया है. So many ways of speaking, video, chatting. So you will have to train your supervisors on that. This is also a skill that requires to be developed. अब तो तकरीबन सबको आता ही है by the virtue of handling mobile so much, but it is also a skill that is required. So all your reports that you want, if your formats are good and formats are ready, we have formats here. In every site that this company works, Circle Complex, there are formats available where the supervisor on that particular format gives a daily report on mobile to the management. That can be video also. Why I'm saying this is that it will also give him confidence that he is speaking to the management. He will also be happy. उसको लगेगा मेरी भी I'm being heard. नहीं तो अदरवाइज क्या है, कई बार फेसलेस हो जाता है कि 6 साइटें हैं, 3 पे आप नहीं जा पाए 3 हफ्ते से, तो वो सुपरवाइजर फेसलेस हो जाता है. So today this is an opportunity again to give him a face and for him to see a face. Now another thing is you have to definitely look after, I have said this earlier, look after the person who's working for you. Uski well-being is your responsibility. You have to make sure he is comfortable, happy, safe while going home, coming, work environment, while he is doing all this for the so the well-being of that person is extremely important. If he is happy, he'll give you a better performance. More granular. For those of us who have not read it, most of us must have read it. I'll just read it out. Just listen to this. How long does the new coronavirus lives on surfaces? How long? बहुत कुछ है, बहुत अंदाजे सबने बोले हैं, सारों और टीवी शीवी में आया हुआ है. एक ये भी है. Hopefully this is right because the World Health Organization will probably support this. Paper and tissue paper 3 घंटे 3 hours. Copper 4 hours. Cardboard 24 hours. So Amazon का जो बोर्ड आता है, जो पैकिंग 24 hours, उसको बाहर रख दीजिए. 24 घंटे के बाद उठाइएगा. 24 घंटे में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा unless it's a critical equipment like this one. 24 घंटे रख दीजिए उसको. आलू और प्याज भी रखते हैं ना, इसको भी रख दीजिए. वुड 2 दिन, क्लॉथ 2 दिन, क्लॉथ. इसीलिए द ड्रिल that when you come back home, remove everything and go for a bath, especially if you have traveled long and gone into areas you are not very sure of. और ये उतारने का भी एक तरीका है, इसको उल्टा उतारना है. जैसे बचपन में अपन उतारते थे, पैंट उतारते थे, कैसे उतारते थे? सीधा जो है पैर ऊपर खींच लेते थे, पैंट उल्टा हो जाता था, है ना? वैसे ही करना है और उसको फिर वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल देना है या तो वॉशिंग में डाल देना है. स्टेनलेस स्टील 2 to 3 days. जो अपने वो लॉक एंड लॉक के डब्बे हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पॉलीप्रोपिलीन प्लास्टिक, 3 दिन 3 days. ग्लास 4 days. पेपर मनी 4 days. And surgical mask, outside of the surgical mask, 7 days, sir. 7 days. 7 days. Yeah. it stays on it for 7 days. So therefore, that surgical mask, if you are going to re-wear it, wash it immediately, sukhao it, at least usko, and have so many of them. Have at least 7, right? 7 days मतलब 7 तो होने ही चाहिए. तो दूसरे का नंबर 7 दिन बाद ही आए. So this is about all that I wanted to speak. There are so many other things that are coming to my mind, but as of today, I think I have taken enough of your time, and it has been 1 hour. So, is there something, Nilesh, that you would like to comment on? Because I can't hear you. So, again, as I close, I will say thank you very much for calling me in, and thank you for hearing my thoughts. I'm sure so many of you will have so many other thoughts which we would definitely like to hear out and understand. So with your permission, I'll just ask Nilesh his next course of business. Thank you, Salim. You're saying very nice stuff. Yeah, been a long time I have not heard from you. So, I would like to have some sort of a feedback from you guys. Is there anything else you want me to ask? No, you want to ask me? Or you want to ask the forum as such? Anything that you would want to know or something like that? So many friends are there. So if you want, you can put up some comments or put up some queries if you want them to be, or just a simple brainstorm. Okay, I'm not seeing any. So thank you very much once again. Nilesh, I'm very grateful you called me here. And under your leadership, I'm sure this association that you have created with more than 1 lakh people here is going to go places. It'll grow. And I'm sure this platform will definitely help. And in closing, I'll just say this much again. Please help each other. Today, that is the need of the day. Yeah. Thank you very much. Take care. Good evening. Keep safe. Keep physical distancing. Make sure you wear your protective equipment well. Travel safe. Best wishes. Do well. Thank you. Jai Hind.